What's going on, guys? So today what we're going to be doing is a little bit of road cruising like we did last time, but there is something that I realized. Hang on, I have a lucky charm I did not know, and that is this little guy right here. This little guy right here, because I was wearing it the last time when we found a copperhead, and I hate to go out there and not wear it and then not find the copperhead, you know? So I've kind of named this thing my lucky charm. And the other thing that I'm going to be needing is going to be this guy right here, this backpack right here, because need somewhere to store your energy drinks, because you guys know that you cannot go road cruising without energy drinks, because otherwise you'll fall asleep at the wheel, and nobody wants that, right? Nobody wants that. So are you guys ready? You guys ready? Cool. Let's do this thing. It's a corn snake. We got a corn snake. We're being attacked by dogs. Here, take this, take this, take this, take this. Okay.
That thing's huge.
Hey, it's okay, girl. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh,
Your first corn snake.
no, it's my second corn snake.
But this is a...
Dude.
Oh god, they're still following us.
Oh.
I need to pull off somewhere.
Oh, the dogs aren't following us anymore. Stop. Okay. We're good.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right, let's get out. Well, I know that seems like a jumbled pile of just pure crap. But basically what happened was we were cruising by, and on this spot in this road, there's always this house with like 5 or 6 dogs that just attack anything that drives by. And when he drove by, I saw the snake in the road. And so we had to stop, and then I went out to go grab it, and the dogs literally started running after us. So I had to grab the snake while having the camera on there. That's when I hit record. And then, girl, you're okay, you're okay. I know you went through a little bit of hell, it's okay. And so we had to throw the snake into the car and then still drive away far enough to where the dogs weren't going to be up here, and then do this clip. This is the most intense snake rescue on a road that I've ever done in my entire life, and it is a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous corn snake. Look at this. This is the second one I found this year, and this girl is oh. She is, look at that tail. She is buzzing that tail. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I know. You're okay. You're okay. Beautiful corn snake. Like, when it comes to corn snake, you usually don't get. Now, these guys are completely harmless. They're constrictors. You can see she's just constricting the heck out of my arm. Look at that belly pattern, though. Look at this belly pattern. She is an absolute beast. Absolutely amazing. This road has produced so much stuff. Copperhead last night, or last week, you guys saw it was last night when we shot that, and then a corn snake this time, and we literally just started cruising. We are literally 5 minutes in. She is gorgeous. I know, she went through hell, man. Like, I grabbed her, just threw her in the car. That's all I knew to do. Because once I saw it was a corn snake, I thought it was a black rat at first, but then I saw the corn snake, and I was like, oh my god, I can't let this one go. So I took on 5 dogs to get you guys the snake. Oh my gosh, that was intense. Look at that checker pattern, though. Wow. Dude. We're gonna get some pictures of this girl. Look at that gray that's kind of almost right there. That is amazing. Alright, well, we're gonna get some, like I said, photos of this girl and then let her go. Alright, so we just cruised my second corn snake.